What really matters with support is two things: how fast can you get a real answer, and whether that answer actually fixes your problem. So here's how the 5 stack up. The most disappointing support comes from Namecheap and DreamHost. With both, it takes the most back and forth to reach a real person and get a clear answer. Cloudways and SiteGround land in the middle. The first automated replies are fine, and once you get through to a real person, they're great, even walking you through the exact steps you need. But getting to that real person does take some patience. And the best by far is Hostinger. You start by chatting with their AI assistant named Cody, which is surprisingly helpful. From there, if it can't solve your problem, it quickly transfers you to a real person who will genuinely help you out. When it comes to support, Hostinger is the clear winner. If getting stuck is something you're worried about, that's the host I'd recommend. So whenever you're ready to get started, the links for all 5 hosts are waiting for you down in the description, and going through one of those links gets you the best price possible. And if you go with Hostinger, there's also a full setup tutorial linked down below that walks you through the whole setup from start to finish. If this video helped you out, a like really goes a long way. And go ahead and subscribe if you want more simple, clear guides just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.